What is your perspective on the future? Do you see the positive advancement of the human race, or do you imagine the downfall of the planet, the Earth, spiraling into oblivion? The reality is, both of these futures are plausible. Whether your outlook of the future is great or if it's bleak, one thing is for certain: climate change will decide the years to come. When you think of environmental problems, is the first word that comes to your mind global warming? Although it may feel warmer in certain areas, other areas are actually getting colder. This gives rise to those who would deny environmental issues, because even though it is warmer in California, it's getting colder in New York, so everything must be fine, right? This perspective is ignorant and wrong, as a better term for our environmental issues is global climate change. It better defines that an increase in average temperature both rises and decreases temperatures in its respective area. It isn't that climate change makes everywhere warmer, it's that it makes an environment-specific climate more extreme. Southern California, which is mostly made up of chaparral and desert environments, is naturally warm. Therefore, an increase in average temperature will make it warmer. On the East Coast, snowstorms and blizzards have been pelting the cities for the last year, and this winter is supposed to be even worse than the last. Warmer temperatures affect the chemical makeup of the oceans, atmospheric conditions, and other factors. If the climate in the East Coast tends to be cold, then the warmer temperature only speeds up the rate by which the colder climate creates storms and cold conditions. Currently, there is 398.29 parts per million of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. To some, this is just a random number, but here's a scary fact. The scientific community believes that our point of no return, the point by which we cannot reverse the effects of climate change, is 2.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Where are we now in average temperature over global land and ocean surfaces? Results from August 2015 show an average increase of 1.58 degrees Fahrenheit. That means we are less than 1 degree away from reversing the effects of our growing population. So what can we do to change the future? Keeping people educated and honest about the choices that they make in regards to the environment can go a long way in saving the Earth. Walking instead of driving, taking one paper towel on CO2, taking shorter showers. One does not need to be a scientist to make a difference. Just the will to make the world a better place.